kids! Welcome to BuddyLand ABC. Today we will learn A to Z food items.
A for apple, red, red apple, yum, yum. B, 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 B. B for burger, big, big burger, yum, yum. C, 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 C. C for cake, sweet, sweet cake, yay, yay. D, 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 D. D for donut, round, round donut, yum. E, E, E. E for egg, small, small egg, strong, strong. F, F, F. F for fries, crispy fries, surprise. G, 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 G. G for grapes, sweet, sweet grapes, yay. Ha, ha, ha. H for hot dog, long, long hot dog, yum, yum. E, E, E. I for ice cream, cold, cold ice cream, yay. J, 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 J. J for juice, fresh, fresh juice, woo-hoo.
Look, it's the letter K.
K for ketchup. L, 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 L. L for lemon, sour, sour lemon. Ha, ha. M for mango, sweet, sweet mango, yum. N, 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 N. M for noodles, long, long noodles, fun. Ooh. Ooh.
O for orange, juicy orange,
Yay! P, 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 P. P for pizza, cheesy pizza, yum. Q, 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 Q. Q for quail egg, tiny, tiny egg, cute. R, R for rice, white, white rice, nice. S, S, S. S for sandwich, yum, yum sandwich. T, 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 T. T for tomato, red, red tomato. Ooh, ooh, ooh. U for udon, yum, yum udon. V, 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 V. V for veggies, healthy veggies, yay! Wow, 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 W. W for watermelon, sweet, sweet melon. X, 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 X. X for candy, sweet, sweet candy. Yay, 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 yay. Y for yogurt, cool, cool yogurt. Z, 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 z. Z for zucchini, green, green zucchini.
Thank you, kids. See you next time. Bye-bye.